everyone. We're here in another edition of your Basketballer. It's November 8, 2020. We're here to discuss yung pangalawang laban. It's gonna be Meralco Bolts going up against Terrafirma Dyip. Now, Terrafirma Dyip just came from their first win for their franchise dito sa Philippine Cup. And I can just imagine how happy they were when they got that. And I was watching and I was looking at them sa bench. Grabe yung saya nila. And I know some of those who don't understand basketball may say, ang corny naman to, one win pa lang nagsi-celebrate. And you just don't understand basketball if you just can't appreciate just one win. Iba yung pinagdaraanan ng franchise at all. You know, they're a young team going up against teams na handled by veteran coaches, being led by veterans, superstars. So iba yung struggle ng Terrafirma. And again, them winning their first game, I was also happy for them, to be honest, especially for those young guys na talagang kita ko na grabe yung effort na nilalagay. So again, for those just basketball watchers, you know, but they don't really play basketball, they don't understand basketball so much, please respect Terrafirma's win when they got that against Blackwater. So it's 1 win and 7 losses for Terrafirma. They're gonna go up against Meralco, who's at 5 wins and 4 losses. Meralco just had a game last night. That was against Talk and Text, Tropang Liga. Nirapat talaga sila sa Talk and Text. They were trying to be at par with them, but Talk and Text showed pure skills and talent kasi ano pa nga yun galing pang pahinga ang Meralco nun. Ang Talk and Text galing laban, pero pinakita naman ang Talk and Text sila pa rin ng panalo with a very convincing lead. So, in terms of fatigue, lalamang ng konti ang Terrafirma dito. Unang-una, bata yung mga yan. Pangalawa, galing sa panalo. And really, wala rin kasi silang laban. While Meralco, second game pa sila kagabi. And now, second game din sila ngayon. Pero second game sa quadruple header. So, 1 o'clock yung laban nila ngayon. So, medyo pagod pa ng konti yung Meralco for sure. Kita mo rin naman, especially Baser Amer, medyo hindi siya nasa parang playing form. Kita ko nga, medyo pagod at hingal na rin siya kahapon. After making those back-to-back 3-point shots, nakita ko pagod na rin talaga siya. So, in terms of fatigue, lalamang ng konti ang Terrafirma dito. Again, bata yung mga yan at galing sila sa pahinga. So that's 1 point already for Terrafirma. Now in terms of matchups, I guess that's kind of obvious. Lalamang Meralco dito, unang-una, walang pang matchup sila kay Almazan diba? So they have Aldat Ramos, obviously. They have Gabayni, who are their bigs, but in terms of talent and in terms of skills, si Almazan yung talagang sentrong kayang umiscore, kayang dumipensa. Gabayni has the body. Ramos has the length, but Almazan has the skills and the talent and the experience to be the main center. So lalamang sa gitna ang Meralco, lalamang sa bigs ang Meralco, especially ang kanilang support is Cliff Hodge. So in terms of sa backcourt naman, doon medyo interesting yan. So Chris Newsom going up against CJ Perez, diba? I'm not sure kung paano nila paglalaroin mamaya. I'm talking about Roosevelt Adams. Kung paano nila paglalaroin si Adams. Kasi normally ginagawa nilang 4 or 3 si Adams. When in fact, ang tao ay guardia. So dos talaga kasi siya, 3-point shooting nga parang yung talagang kanyang forte. So kung ilalagay siya sa guard, so medyo interesting din yan. Kasi andyan sila Black, di ba? Aaron Black, andyan sila Amer, ma-experience ni Roosevelt Adams to. So very interesting to see. Isang intriguing point lang dyan is CJ McCarthy, di ba? Even our commentators were really having some question mark bakit hindi pinapasok ng usual minutes si CJ McCarthy. Sorry. Ginawa ko na CJ, pinaghalo ko yung CJ Perez at si McCarthy. So, nagugutom na talaga ako. So, si McCarthy hindi pinapasok for his usual minutes. Pinasok siya saglit, tapos inupo din siya. So, I'm not sure kung injured siya. Kung injured siya, so siyempre hindi talaga siya pinasok. I'm not sure if he's having some issues with his coaches and all that. But yeah, McCarthy is, for me, is the number 2 player dito sa Terrafirma. I know they have Roosevelt Adams, yung number 1 pick, but McCarthy is still better for me, at least, di ba? With the experience that he has had, with the yan, inusog na naman po ng pusa ko yun. Pag gumagalaw yan, pusa ko po yun. Huwag po kayo mata. Hindi po yan multo. McCarthy, question mark ko rin yan. Ano kayang meron? Ano kayang merong issue? Diba? So, nagtatalo ba sila ni Jonathan Cardell? I'm not really sure. Cardell was a point guard when he was still in the PBA. So, I'm expecting kakaintindihan din sila dapat. Diba? So, not really sure what's going on. Pupunta tayo sa Meralco again. Galing silang talo. Galing silang laro, obviously. Wala pang 24 hours, gising na naman sila. Kung alauna laro niyan, mga tropa, gigising yan, mga bandang alas 9, alas 8. Kasi kakain sila para mapababa yung kinain, yung mga tape, yung mga magre-review pa yan ng game plan. So, ang aga nila gumising, tapos latest, anong oras sila nakarating sa hotel, syempre di agad makakatulog yan. Factor yan, magiging factor yan mamaya. Although magiging factor yan mamaya, I know Meralco understands the situation. And so, I'm sure they would be able to push umpisa pa lang para kung pwede nga ay mapahinga na rin yung mga bigs nila or yung mga starters nila para kung kailanganin man sa fourth quarter, available pa rin siya. Maganda sa Meralco, malalim-lalim din naman yung bench. So, even though pagod yung mga yan, hindi naman siya sobrang problema kasi again, reliable naman yung bench nila. Pero sa totoo lang, medyo diskumpiyado ako sa mangyayari mamaya because of Terrafirma. What do I mean by that? Terrafirma just had their first win, di ba? So, titignan mo nga, galing sa panalo yung Terrafirma, yung Meralco yung galing sa talo. It's just that mas maganda lang talaga record ng Meralco, but if there's someone na parang nakakatakot bigyan ng confidence, that will be CJ Perez. Grabe tong taong to, skills-wise, yung katawan niya, yung kanyang athleticism, wala, A plus yan para sa akin, or 8 at least, di ba? Tapos nabigyan pa siya ng confidence, nakita na kaya nga nilang manalo. Yung 4 wins, actually, kung mapanalo nila lahat ng games sila, pwede pa eh. May habol pa ng konti. Baka magkatabla-tabla sila sa 4 wins. And posible. Again, it's gonna be not that realistic, but mathematically, pwede pa. So, I'm sure magpupush yung Terrafirma. Iba, nakaka-addict ang panalo eh. Totoo lang. Manalo ka ng isang beses, it's just like feeling mo champion ka na eh. So, you're gonna go out there with the confidence oozing. Kahit 1 win pa lang yan, especially for them. Tapos pagod pa yung kabila, Meralco. So, medyo hirap talaga ako mag-decide dito sa game na to. But, of course, for the sake of those who would bet, let's go to the angle kung saan magiging safe tayo. So, my suggestion, especially when I checked on the spread earlier, I guess the spread is at +6, +7, Terrafirma. Siyempre, lamang pa rin ng Meralco because of their very good record. I would be picking Terrafirma +7. Let's go to that. Selection. Terrafirma +7. So, kung ano man ang mangyari, di ba? Manalo man ng Terrafirma, magwala si CJ Perez, edi okay. Okay, manalo man ng Meralco, pero tingin ko hindi nila ganun matatambakan ng Terrafirma because again, Terrafirma just came from a win and the confidence is there. Baka nga may point pa din na lumabang pa Terrafirma, then hindi naman siya ganun siguro katambak. So +7 will really be safe if you would be someone who would bet. So again, kaysa -7, di ba? Medyo nakaka-diskumpiyado. So this is a game that we play. This is gambling. So, doon tayo sa medyo safe. Especially, pera yan. So, let's go to Terrafirma +7 versus Meralco. Again, Terrafirma, take the plus. I checked on the spread earlier. It's +6, +7. Take the higher plus. So, it's, again, ulitin ka guys, for the second game, go for Terrafirma +7. Right? So, kakain muna ako. Then, mamaya, we will resume and we'll talk about the third and the fourth game. See you guys later on. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy Sunday. Peace out. Bye sa inyo.